Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Thermostat Bjwa for American Range Part #A11101. The Thermostat Bjwa for American Range Part #A11101 is a replacement part for an American range oven. It is a thermostat that regulates the temperature of the oven. The thermostat has a temperature range of 100 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and is adjustable in 25-degree increments. It also has a manual reset button to reset the temperature if it goes out of range. The thermostat is made from durable materials and is designed to last for many years. It comes with all necessary mounting hardware and instructions for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement thermostat for an American range oven. It will fix any issues related to the thermostat, such as inaccurate temperature readings or failure to heat up properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the range at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the old thermostat by unscrewing it from the range. 3. Install the new thermostat by screwing it into place on the range. 4. Connect the wires to the new thermostat according to the wiring diagram provided with it. 5. Turn on the power to the range at the circuit breaker and test that it is working correctly by setting and adjusting temperatures as needed. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.